Can you really trust an app with access to all your banking information? That's the million-dollar question, and when it comes to a financial management tool like Rocket Money, it boils down to one thing: security. We use these apps to find subscriptions, track spending, and even save money, but the idea of linking multiple bank accounts gives many people pause. So, let's cut to the chase and look at the security protocols Rocket Money has in place. Specifically, is your banking information truly encrypted? The short answer is a resounding yes. Rocket Money has invested heavily in industry-leading security to protect your data. They use what's known as bank-level 256-bit encryption, the same standard trusted by major banks and financial institutions. This advanced encryption scrambles your data, making it essentially unreadable to any unauthorized eyes. But the security measures don't stop there. Crucially, Rocket Money does not directly store your bank login credentials on their own servers. Instead, they partner with Plaid, a service used by thousands of financial apps to securely connect to over 12,000 institutions. Here's how that works. When you link an account, your login details are sent through Plaid, and Plaid sends Rocket Money back an encrypted token. It's this token, not your actual password, that gives the app read-only access to your transaction data. This means Rocket Money can look at your finances to do its job, but they can't access your login, and they certainly cannot move any money. It's a powerful layer of protection that separates your most sensitive information from the app's core functions. Furthermore, Rocket Money hosts its data on secure Amazon Web Services (AWS) servers, a platform trusted by organizations ranging from the Department of Defense to NASA. They also have additional safety features like multi-factor authentication and a robust bug bounty program, encouraging security researchers to find and report any potential issues. In a world where digital security is non-negotiable, Rocket Money ensures that its platform is built on layers of high-grade encryption and secure access practices, so you can focus on managing your money without having to worry about who is watching it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.